Kwelinye inqaku, ingqungquthela yotyalo-mali yaseSoweto ka-2025 iqukunjelwe namhlanje kwiziko lenjongo ezininzi lase-Eyethu eMfulo, igqibezela iintsuku ezimbini zeengxoxo eziphezulu malunga nokubandakanywa koqoqosho lwasezilokishini. Lo msitho uhlanganise iinkokheli zoshishino, abenzi bomgaqo-nkqubo kunye nabathathi-nxaxheba kuluntu ukuze bahlole amathuba okukhula koqoqosho kunye notyalo-mali lwasezilokishini. Abanini bamashishini amancinci basekuhlaleni bayayincoma le ngqungquthela besithi inceda ekuphuculeni ukubonakala kwaye ivula ingcango kumashishini.
Ibe impumelelo ingqungquthela yabatshali-zimali ebiseSoweto endaweni yaseMfulo. Osomabhizinisi abasafufusa babonge banconcoza kwiSoweto Tourism kanjalo nabasunguli balenkomfa yabatshali-zimali ngethuba eliyingqayizivele lokukhulisa amabhizinisi abo. Babesebethe banethemba lokuthi lolu uhlelo luzothuthukisa amabhizinisi abo njengoba bethola nethuba lokusikhangisa kubantu.
Main purpose yokuza la is try and gain exposure. I think also to meet with the stakeholders, because they are stakeholders, and see ukuthi is it not gonna be easier if bala ukuthi we able to, I think, gain insights on what they've got on offer for our small businesses, and if we can get connections that can give us access to markets.
Here I am now in the Soweto investment seminar. Now my business is now exposed. Lama products bengiwalungiselele for G20 now akhona la etafuleni, bayathenga abantu, taste tomato jam, then they are so impressed about the tomato jam. So I'm hoping with the tomato jam it will be as my brand, it will go my shelf and even abroad.
We want to thank Soweto Investment Conference for putting up this event and also to give us this platform so that we can be able to reach as many potential clients as possible, and especially here in Soweto, because that's where we actually want to increase our base here. Thank you very much.
Siyabonga kakhulu nanokuthi kufike Soweto Investment Conference so that sithole into eziningi uzokwazi ukutholakala even nama funding, because kunemindeni edinga usizo kakhulu. Ngaloko ke ngithi siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi sifike kule ndawo sizothola usizo, sisizakale kakhulu, nabadinga usizo bazolithola usizo. Sibonge kakhulu kuleyo ndawo.
Khona manjalo babesebencenxa ibhodi lokubhalisela amaspaza izindawo zokucisha ukoma ukuba balekelele kwinselele khungethe inqwaba yosomabhizinisi nabakholelwa ukuthi kusamele izinhlelo ezifana nalezi.
We've had issues, more especially ngendaba zelika, when it comes to bathi maybe ama paperwork are right, you know, but we think ukuthi it's right, but we're not. So this opportunity is actually giving us a light on where to and where not to go, you know. So in essence, we'd like to say thank you to Soweto Investment Conference for inviting us, and we wish we could have even more conferences of this magnitude so that sizokwazi ukubonisana, share light on issues arising within our shops, within our liquor traders, within small business as in total. But singathanda ukubonga kakhulu.
Kanezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngingunobuhle wakwaNdlovu ngibika ngisemfulo.